If you're still doing your job the same way, you might be training your AI replacement. These 5 tools are already taking over, and 2025 is just the beginning. First up, ChatGPT. It's no longer just a chatbot. With agents and plugin integrations, it now writes code, drafts emails, builds business plans, and never asks for a coffee break. 11 Labs Voice Cloning. Meet 11 Labs, the AI voiceover artist. It generates human-like voices that are now replacing narrators, audiobook readers, and even influencers. Real voice actors are already feeling the heat. Graphic designers, watch out. Midjourney and DALL-E can create ultra-realistic artwork in seconds. No Photoshop skills required. Logos, thumbnails, concept art, done by AI in one click. Say goodbye to hours of editing. Descript lets you edit video like text, cut out filler words, dub in missing lines, and even clone your voice, all in one dashboard. Need a marketing plan, meeting notes, or investor pitch? Notion AI and Tome can generate full reports, presentation decks, and blog posts with a few prompts. Whole teams are being replaced by a single user and a subscription. The future of work isn't coming, it's already here. These tools won't just help you, they might replace you. Subscribe to Mindstack for weekly drops on AI, productivity, and mindset, and stay ahead of the shift.